Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Haircare USA. So my client, if you see in this video, used to have very long hair. It was kind of like a bob. When she came in today, her hair was extremely short. It basically broke off to this point, and she said, you know what? I trust you. I want you to basically make me look beautiful, even though she's already absolutely gorgeous. And she is going to continue embracing her salt and pepper, which also is just stunning. So to start the process, I went on and trimmed her down using my clippers. Now, I like to pre-trim my clients before I start either the relaxer or the color, mainly because I want to make sure that I'm not just processing hair that is going to be cut off. And then at the same time, I like my short styles to be nice and straight. So yes, we are doing a relaxer on her. And this video is going to also talk a little bit about gray hair and what happens when you do chemical services, or what can possibly happen even with just environmental changes. So we went ahead and put on her relaxer. Now, because she is doing a pixie cut, I do like to start in the nape and then work my way to the sides and then the top. Now that her relaxer is done, if you guys notice, she has a lavender hue to her hair. Well, while we were rinsing her, I noticed that her hair has started to turn yellow from the relaxer, which is a part of the characteristics of being salt and pepper. Becoming yellow is super easy. That doesn't mean that something is wrong. It just means that we need to correct that yellow. So I used a violet toner to tone out that yellow color. And of course, violet in hair color world is purple. Okay. So while I'm trimming her up, let's talk a little bit about her aftercare from here. Now, she is salt and pepper. Yes. She is a pixie cut. Yes. And she is fine textured all in the same time. Now, just because she's fine textured, does that mean that her hair is damaged? No. But for her care, I'm going to always recommend for my fine textured people that you use our B7 Beyond collection. That is our biotin-based volumizing collection that allows the hair to, number one, feel a lot stronger and healthier than before. But number two, it also gives that look of volume, and it helps to build the volume on fine textured hair. Now, let me tell you guys, volume for people who are fine textured is an illusion, okay? So just because I'm saying it's going to help her build volume or add that volume to the hair, it is still on a temporary basis, you guys. So if you are fine textured like myself or like my client, just know that everything we do is considered an illusion. Hence the reason why I love the B7 Beyond collection, because it makes it where I don't have to work so hard to build that illusion. And then, of course, she's also going to need a bottle of our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. Short styles need to be wrapped with wrap foam so that you can curl them really well. And then I actually forgot to apply my biotin serum to her hair, which is our B7 serum. So I went ahead and did it after the fact, which is perfectly fine all the same. It is water-based, so it does not leave any residue or buildup on the hair. It's just going to help to strengthen that hair as a leave-on treatment. And it also leaves the hair nice and light. So I'm still going to be able to curl her. It didn't make the hair heavy. It didn't make it feel like I had a film on the hair or anything of that nature. So the B7 collection is comprised of our B7 serum, shampoo, conditioner, mask, leave-in conditioner, the Boost, where a lot of you are sleeping on our Boost. Boost is a antioxidant builder, and our Edge Restoration Cream, which, if you don't know about the Edge Restoration Cream, go and check out my other videos, please. Well, that leads me to letting you guys know, if you are new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and don't forget to tell your friends and family by sharing the videos with them as well. So now what I'm doing is just blending out my cuts in the back. Now, remember, you guys, she is salt and pepper, so it's going to give this look when you're looking at it that she has like gashes and stuff. She doesn't. Her hair actually grows this way. So wherever there's salt, it's going to seem like there's a patch. And then wherever there's pepper, it's going to seem like there's a darker patch. So this, just so everybody knows, her cut is nice and even. That is just the blend of hair that God gave her. And we just got to work with it. Okay? So now we're gonna start curling her, which I'm using the H2 Pro 3/10 of an inch black diamond iron. I had it set to 450, but I kind of figured that I didn't actually need it at 450, so I brought it down to 425. And then I am also using, well, before this portion of the video, you guys didn't see it, but I applied some of our frizz control to her hair. The frizz control is a part of our Mended system, which is the control collection. That is going to be your heat protectant, your glossifier. It also gives that nice slip on the hair, and it can also be used to seal your low porosity hair for those of you who are natural and low porosity. Now, I just do you can just call this like a messy pixie, even though it's still kind of stationary or uniform, not stationary, uniform. And when I say messy, meaning some is flipped, some is curled, flipped, curled, flipped, curled. And that just gives more depth to the style. It's not something that is absolutely required, but she gave me free reign of what I could do to her hair. So I just wanted to give you guys a view of exactly what I meant when I meant flip, curl, flip, curl. This is also a good way to allow your fine textured hair to seem a lot fuller. Remember, like I said before in the video, you guys, fine textured hair works off of illusion. So when you're styling fine textured hair, you want to give the illusion that it's super full or dense, even though the cuticle lays extremely flat, hence the reason why it's considered to be fine textured. So I like to do my pixies like this on my fine textured clients, which I said that like 16 times, but you get the point. And then from there, you know, care for this is going to be super simple. She'll put her scarf around the sides and the back and go to sleep at night. And then, of course, she'll get her hair washed and treated and styled every 2 weeks. And that's really it. Now, the lavender hue is not going to last forever, you guys. Remind yourself that she is still salt and pepper. Her hair still grows. Color fades because you use color to fix this, meaning the yellow. And then she repeat the process anytime it's needed. So this is just on an as needed basis. Now, just for note, you guys, we are working on a violet colored shampoo for all of my silver foxes out there, my salt and pepper queens. So you guys will have access to an elite hair care quality version of a violet-based shampoo to help you correct a lot of that yellowing that you guys get on a regular basis, so you can add it to your wash day. Other than us taking care of her hair with her relaxers, as I said before, she'd be using the B7 collection, and that's going to help with the fine texturedness. But really, I'm more focused on the biotin because fine textured hair or high porosity hair typically needs more strength than moisture. So the biotin is going to help to strengthen that hair and also add a small amount of moisture so that she is not lacking in any sense on either end. Now, if you're low porosity, you're going to need more moisture than strength. So it's the opposite for you. But in her case, all she needs is a little bit of both. Outside of that, you guys, she absolutely loved her style. And if you guys don't have one of these combs, grab you one. For a little of $1, this comb is just the best comb ever. I style with this comb all the time. So I was just going through the ropes of, you know, information for her on what she'd be doing. And it was really simple. She was really, really happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Also, this weekend ending tonight at 11:59 p.m., we are having a flash sale where all of our B7 products, as well as our Mended products, are $13.99 and free shipping over $150. Bye.